giving a few list of important mathematics formulas. Very good evening everyone. Yes, I am coming live to give a very important mathematical formulas. So I am coming live to give a very important. Yes, let us. I will write because typing it will take more time. That's why I am writing. I will explain and I will write which are the important formulas. Yes, and also I will tell shortcut to remember how to remember the formula also. First one is rational number. Rational numbers are terminating. I will give even important points also. Rational numbers are terminating and also non-terminating also. It may be terminating and non-terminating, but the numbers are repeating. That is rational numbers. Then next one, irrational numbers. Remember, I will tell important points to remember in some topics. I will tell the formulas, points, everything. Irrational numbers, non-terminating and also non-repeating. Yesterday someone asked what is mean by the difference of terminating. Non-terminating means terminating you will get the definite value of a decimal. Non-terminating means the numbers it will be, you will not get the exact number. Then here the values they will not repeat in rational numbers. Irrational numbers the value they may repeat. Then I will tell the rules of divisibility test. Divisibility test, how to remember I will tell. And also using divisibility test they will give the number. This topic I not took because this is very easy one. uh, you have to identify the number whether it is divisible by a particular number of or not. If the number is divisible by 2, the rule digit ending with even number means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. You have to remember divisibility test. 2 means the digit ending with these numbers. Then 3 and 9, the common rule is there. If the number is divisible by 3 and 9, sum of numbers they will be divisible by, sum of all the numbers they will be divisible by 3 and 9. Then the numbers it will be divisible by 3 and 9. Then if the number is divisible by 5 means last number ending with either 0 or 5. If the number is divisible by 10, last number it will be 0. Okay, that is the short trick. You have to remember the numbers whether they are divisible by which particular one. Then 4, if the number is divisible by 4, the rule is last 2 digit. If you will consider here, if it is 3 and 9, sum of all numbers, here all numbers, but here fourth last 2 digit divisible by 4. Then 8 last 3 digit, for 8 last 3 digit divisible by 8. Some in the TET question, someone they will ask, they will give the set of four numbers, whether it may be divisible by, they will tell the number is divisible by which number, otherwise they will give the option, you have to check. You go, if the bigger number you can't, you, if you go on checking each and every number, the time it will waste. That's why you have to remember the rule. Next, one minute. Okay, let next one, you can revise this one later, you can. Yes, next one, if they in the exam LCM plus HCF, this product it will be A and B. This one also we studied. Then you do, if you want to find the least number, you have to take the LCM. Then least four digit number, least four digit number, it will be 1000. Okay, least one. Then next one, highest or maximum four digit number, four highest digit number is 999, four times. Then least five digit number, it will be 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes. Then highest five digit number is 1 2 3 4 5. Then if you want to find a least number, always if they in the exam, if they ask the least number, you have to find LCM. Then greatest number, if they ask in the LCM, sorry, if they ask in the exam, you have to find HCF, highest common multiple. LCM is least common multiple. When you are solving word problem, we will use this formulas. That's why I'm giving this is like a revision for you. See, watch my video, then revise, it will be easy for you. Then next formulas, they will be based on profit and loss. What is mean by gain? Gain is selling price minus cost price. Then gain percentage, what is the formula? Gain percentage, gain divided by cost price into 100 whole percentage. Then if you want to find out a selling price, these are the list of formulas I am giving. Selling price 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. Then next one, if you want to find CP, 100 divided by 100 plus gain percentage into selling price. If they are asking loss, formulas I will give for loss. Loss is nothing but cost price minus selling price. Then loss percentage, loss divided by CP into 100, that it will be in percentage format. Then selling price 100 minus loss percentage divided by 100 into cost price. Next, if they are given loss, then cost price is 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. These are the important formulas based on profit and loss. Then next, Why I am giving the list? At least it will be helpful for you, like when you will do the quick revision. Then amount, it will be equal to principal, princ- principal, not principal, principal, plus interest. Next one, simple interest, the formula it will be PTR divided by 100. Then amount, it will be principal into 1 plus capital R divided by 100 whole to the power of n. Then compound interest quarterly, compound interest when we calculated quarterly, then amount it will be principal 1 plus R divided by 4 into 100 whole to the power of 4 into n. Then next formula for off yearly, this everything I discussed. Amount it will be principal 1 plus R divided by, oh no, off yearly some changes it will be there. Okay, this I will give 1 plus 2 into R, something it will come here. I am given only directly. Okay, leave that, only 2 you have to make a change, that it will be easy. Then compound interest it will be, then you have to know the formula. Compound interest is amount minus principal, that one you have to remember. Next one, next set of formulas, arithmetic progression I will consider. AP, arithmetic progression, you know the formula. Tn it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. When they are given the nth term, Sn, sum n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. If they are given the last term, sum it will be n by 2, a plus l. Then an, sometime we will use Sn minus Sn minus 1 to find an we will use. Next formula based on geometric progression. Next it will be based on geometric progression. Tn it will be ar power n minus 1. Then Sn is a into 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. This is valid when r less than 1. Then Sn is a into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This is valid only r greater than 1. Then geometric mean, what is the formula we will use? Square root of a b. Next one, S infinity, we will use a divided by 1 minus r. Then okay, geometric mean I given, everything I given. Next list of formulas, it will be based on the percentage. If you want to calculate percentage more, we will use greater number minus smaller number divided by smaller number into 100. Then percentage loss, it will be equal to greater number minus smaller number divided by greater number into 100. Then next one, increase percentage. If you want to calculate an increase percentage, then change in change in value divided by smaller value into 100. Permutation combination is not there. Okay, next. Then for cuboid, let us come into the three-dimensional shapes. Cuboid, what is the formula to find the volume of a cuboid? Length, breadth, height. Then lateral surface area or curved surface area, both also same. Lateral surface area or curved surface area, both also same. This it will be equal to 2h L plus length plus breadth. Then total surface area 2 into length breadth, breadth height plus height into length. This is in the case of a cuboid, solid shapes. Remember the formula. Remembering formula also is very important. That's why I am giving the list. It will be, if it is there in uh, one class, it will be easy for you. In the case of a cube, volume of a cube, then curved surface area is 4a square, then total surface area of a volume is 6a square. If you want to write, you can write, otherwise you can revise my videos, then you can remember the formulas. Then next one, right circular cone. Right circular cylinder. Let us consider the formulas for right circular cylinder. For volume, pi r square h. Then curved surface area is 2 pi rh. Then total surface area is 2 pi r plus h. Then next, right circular cone. I will go in. Okay, I can write here only. Right circular cone. Right circular cone. Volume, it will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. Then curved surface area pi rl. Total surface area pi r l plus r. Then in the case of a sphere, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then curved surface area 4 pi r square. Then total surface area 4 pi r square. Both also same. Curved surface area, total surface area, both also same in the case of a sphere. Next, move to the hemisphere. Last one. Hemisphere, volume 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then curved surface area 2 pi r square. Then total surface area is 3 pi r square. These are the formulas, important formulas based on the solid figures. You can write in one notes, you can remember, otherwise you can revise my video. That's why I'm making a formulas list. Definitely it will be helpful for you. Then exponents, which are the formulas we will use in exponents. First one, a power 0 means 1. Then second formula, a into b whole to the power of m means a power m into b power m. Then next one, am whole to the power of n is a m into n. This is correct, no? If any formulas I am writing wrong, tell me that time only. 1 by a power m means a to the power of minus m. Then fifth one, a power m, a power n is a power m plus n. Then sixth one, a power m divided by a power n is a power m minus n. Based on these formulas, we will solve most of the problem. A power n divided by b power n. One I left, arithmetic mean, harmonic mean I left. Okay, I will write in that one only. Whether I left the space or not, don't know. Let us write here only. Arithmetic mean, what is the formula? It will be a plus b divided by harmonic mean, 2ab divided by a plus b. And also tell me in comment box after the class if any formulas list, if any topic I left, I will include that also. Exponents over. Next one, let us coming to the coordinate geometry. Next, area of isosceles triangle. Yesterday only I discussed area of isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. Okay, this one I will check. I will give equilateral triangle, it will be there, no? Okay, look, root 3, 1 minute, I will check in it. Okay, next one, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, if length of the sides are given, we will use s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c is whole square root, where s is a plus b plus c divided by 2. Then ABC here, what is mean by ABC? ABC are length of sides. ABC are length of sides. That one you have to remember. Let us come in the case of a polygon. Which are the formulas we will use? In the case of a polygon, sum of exterior angle, it is 360 degree. Then each angle, each exterior angle, how you can calculate each exterior angle? 360 degree divided by n. Then sum of interior angle, n minus 2 into 180. Then each interior angle, n minus 2 by 2, n minus 2 by n into 180 degree it will be there. Then next formula to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. To find the number of diagonal of a polygon, which formula we will use? N into n minus 3 divided by 2. Then area of a circle pi r square, I will write area of a circle pi r square. Then circumference of circle, is 2 pi r. Then area of a sector, it will be theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Next I will tell the condition. If the quadratic equation, if it is in the form ax square bx plus c, it will be 0. Then you know the value b square minus 4ac, this it will be discriminate. Okay, then if this value b square minus 4ac, if it is less than 0, then roots not real, roots may be imaginary. In this case, roots are not real, otherwise roots are imaginary roots. When you will get a imaginary roots, if b square minus 4ac, it will be less than 0. Remember the condition. Then b square minus 4ac, if this is equal to 0, then roots are real. Next, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive, roots are real and distinct. Here equal to 0 it means roots are real and equal. Here roots are real and distinct. Remember, to find if quadratic equation is you are not getting, to find the solution we will use x, it will be minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula we will use. This is the formula we will use. Next, in the case of pair of linear equation in two variables, I will tell the condition. In the case of pair of linear equations of in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1, it will be 0. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2, it will be 0. This is L1, this is L2. Then here, if the lines are intersecting like this, L1, N2, these are the lines. If they are intersect, what is the condition? Intersecting, these are intersecting lines. What are the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. This is the condition. and then it has only one solution. These are the important points you have to remember. This is case first. If two intersecting line, what is the condition? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by A2. Then here you will get only one solution. That is first case. Then second case, if the lines are parallel like this L1, L2, these are the lines parallel, then the condition A1 by A2, it will be equal to B1 by B2, but this is not equal to C1 by C2. Here you will not get any solution, no solution in the case of a parallel lines. That is the condition you have to remember. Then next one, next, still one more case is there. Here coincident lines. Here if the two lines, if they are overlap like coincident lines, L1, L2, if they will become like overlap one above the other like this, it will look like a single line only. Overlap or coincident, overlap or coincident lines, then here the condition is A1 by A2, it will be equal to B1 by B2, this is equal to C1 by C2. Then here you will get many solution, more solutions you will get. Here you will get many solution. In the exam they may ask, they will give any two linear equation, then they will tell whether they are intersecting or non-intersecting like that. Then you have to check. Then next formulas, and also tell me in the comment box which section. Tell me if I left any section, if I left any formulas, tell me how much possible randomly I am collecting the formulas I am writing. Then this is the important easy one, I will go fast. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. Then A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. This basic I know, everyone you know. Then A plus B, A minus B is A square minus B square. Then x plus A, this is important, x plus A, x plus B, if you are getting like this, then x square plus A plus B into x plus AB. Then next, A plus B plus C whole square, A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2C. Remember the formulas. Thank you, Lavanya. I am here. This is the small thing, but I am here to support you for all. Yes, you have to clear your exam. That is my main intention. No? That is most important for me. Then next, lines and angles. I will tell the condition. This is very important. Lines and angles. Some questions they will ask based on lines and angles also. Better try to write properly. Lines and angles. This is most important. You have to remember. I will draw two parallel lines. Then one is like this. I will mention here A, B, C, D. I will tell why. A, B, C, D. This is the angle name. This is E, F, G, H. A, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, first one, reflex angle. You can reflex of Q, Y, P. Reflex of Q. If they ask reflex of any angle, then you have to subtract 360 degree minus that angle, any particular angle. If they ask to find the reflex of that angle, means you have to subtract that angle with 360 degree. Then what is mean by complementary angle? Complementary means complementary means the sum of the angle is 90 degree. Then supplementary sum of the angles are 180 degree. Then what is mean by linear pair? This everything we will use when we are solving the problem based on lines and angles. Linear pair means sum of the angle it will be 180 degree. Sum of two angles like this linear pair. Angle E plus F is 180 degree. Angle AB is 180 degree. Linear pair like this. Like this linear pair, this angle we will consider as a linear pair. Okay, these are the important points you have to. Then next point, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always same, equal or same. Then corresponding angles. Corresponding angles also always same. These are the properties we will use when we will solve the problem based on the lines and angles. Then alternative angles. Alternative angles also equal or same. Equal, same you can consider. Alternative angles also equal or same. Then sum of interior angle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles it will be 180 degree. Interior angles means here I will give the example here. Interior angle C. Okay, wait a minute. These are the interior angles C plus F, D plus F. Okay, then C plus E. These are interior angle. Even CF also interior angles. Then corresponding angles are B plus F. B is equal to F, corresponding angles. Then alternative angles, the angles if they are in the form of a Z format we will consider as vertically opposite angles like this. This angle vertically opposite. Then this one is equal to this one vertically opposite. Then corresponding angles, if two parallel line like then this angle corresponding angle, then this one corresponding, then this one is corresponding, this one is corresponding. Then alternative angles they will be in the form of a Z format. Remember, this angle it will be equal to this angle. Alternative angles, then corresponding angle, vertically opposite angles, all are equal. These properties we will use when we will solve the problem based on lines and angles. That is easy. Okay, if possible this topic I not cover. Okay, leave. I will see this based on this topic. They will give like parallel lines, they will give some angles, then they will tell to find out the other angle. Then these properties we will use to solve the problems. Okay, next, um, any next which set of formulas? Coordinate geometry formulas I have to take, but I don't have the list. If anything I left I will give the list in the next class, don't worry. Then trigonometry, let us move. Trigonometry formulas, then coordinate geometry formulas I have to give. Some I will give here, some we will see. Next, coordinate geometry. Distance formulas, if any, we will use x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root we will consider. Then if you consider any three points are collinear like this, 3 points 1 2 3 ABC. Collinear means they will be on the same line, all the points they will be lie on the same plane. Then in this condition you will have to use the distance formula to prove AB distance, it will be equal to BC, this it will be equal to AC. If it is satisfy the condition, then that points we will consider as a collinear. Then I have to still add this coordinate geometry. Next class I will add. Next, midpoint. To find the midpoint we will use the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, then y1 plus y2, that is divided by 2. Then area of a rhombus is off into multiplication of into diagonals d1 into d2. Then area of a triangle, area of a triangle when they will give the vertices, when they will give the vertices we will use the formula of into mod, we will use x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 y2 y1 minus y2 mod. This we will use area of the triangle when vertices are given, vertices are given. Then centroid formula it will be there. To find the centroid we will use the formula x, it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, then y it will be equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. When I'm writing the formulas, coordinate geometry I not covered, it is there in your syllabus. Okay. Then coming to the quadratic equation, quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, the equation, general equation p of x, it will be k into x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This one sometime we will consider. Then here alpha plus beta value is minus b by a, then alpha beta value is c by a. This is quadratic polynomial. In the case of a cubic polynomial is not there. I don't know they will give or not, don't know, but I will write the formula. In the case of a cubic polynomial, p of x is ax cube plus bx square plus cx d, then a here not equal to 0. Then here sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma we will consider minus b by a, then alpha beta, beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this it will be c by a, then product of alpha beta gamma, this it will be minus d by a. Remember the formulas. Then any section I left, trigonometry I will give, don't worry, trigonometry I will give the formulas. That is the last one I will give, trigonometry. Trigonometry ratios. I am trying to give even physics formulas also. That I have to make a search properly, I will give. Then this is trigonometric ratios. Here this, if this is A, B, C, then if this is hypotenuse, always if this is a right angle, opposite to the right angle hypotenuse, then this one is adjacent, this one is opposite. Then sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse, very basic. Then cos theta adjacent sorry divided by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is opposite divided by adjacent. Then here sin theta, it will be the reciprocal of 1 by cosecant theta, remember. Then cos theta, it will be the reciprocal of 1 by secant theta. Then tan theta, it will be the reciprocal of 1 by cot theta. Then sine 0 degree, 30 degree, then 45 degree, 60 degree, then 90 degree. Then sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, then sine 45 is 1 by root 2, then sine degree, this is root 3 by 2, this is 1. Remember at least 3. Then cos 1, ult of this one, 1 root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, sine 45 cos 45, then 1 by 2, this it will be 0. Up to tan, remember, then you can take the reciprocal 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. This is not defined or infinity, we can consider not defined. This much you remember, then remaining 3, next 3 it will be the reciprocal. Remember the reciprocal, it will be easy for you. Then next one, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Then cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Then tan, based on this also I have to solve trigonometry problem. If possible, I will take. Still 5 days are there, no? Then cot, it will be 90 minus theta tan theta. Then next secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Then cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Next set of formulas, sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. Always we will use this one, these formulas. 1 plus tan square theta, this it will be equal to secant square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Remember, these are the formulas based on trigonometry. Anything I left here? Statistics is not there. I think I given the basic formulas list I given. If any topic I left here, coordinate geometry at least that I have to give, that I will include in the next class. These are the, at least you can revise the video, at least you can remember. That is my main intention. Then if possible, coordinate geometry, I have to explain trigonometry based on these formulas. I have to solve few questions. I will do it in the next class. And 50 science MCQ questions are ready. Now I will take around 6 to, see, not 6, 6:30 to 7:30, at least 1 hour I will try to take 50 MCQ question series science. Then tomorrow I will try to complete the remaining maths syllabus. I am asking everyone which topic you need in maths. tell me the topic, then I come to know which topic. If someone told, ma'am, do trigonometry application problems, I did that one. Then based on trigonometric ratios, that is remaining coordinate geometry is remaining lines and angles. I will check whether they will give in Karnataka TET. Okay, and tell me which are the topic the recently I not covered based on the TET, especially maths. I know science everything I completed. I am doing the revision. Still maths, some topics I left. Uh, Give the list of topics which one you need in the next class discussion. That topic I can do it, and give the list of formulas. Any topic I left, that is also very very important. Okay, because these are the important formulas you have to remember. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. Those who are not able to watch my old morning, I took one class based on trigonometry, applications of trigonometry. I discussed very important question. Please watch that class. Definitely it will be helpful for you. Okay, okay. We will meet in the I will meet in the next class, science class 50. I will discuss 50 MCQ questions. Check live classes between 6:30 to 7. Otherwise, after 9 o'clock I will be take 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Based on my timings I will take the class. And mention me in the comment box which maths topic you need. Mensuration. Mensuration I did now. Based on mensuration, my here recently volume of a uh, particularly cuboid volume and surface area, then cylinder also over. I will see, maybe one or two topics are not over. I will check which one is not completed. And also Vishwanath, you also check my old videos, 2 3 videos based on mensuration, it will be over. Check, particularly mention the topic, it will be easy for me. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. This is like a, this class is only I wrote formulas because printing it will take more time for me. That's why I wrote. At least you can quickly you can revise the formulas. It will be definitely helpful for you. Okay, thank you thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class.